Alright, good morning guys. So I cannot get any data on coin yet on Schwab. Let me see if I can pull it up on my interactive broker. Okay, so no historical data yet, but looks like we could trade this. I have an order out to sell to short this at a 640 shares. So what is it? Coinbase. It's predicted to IPO around 250, but then it's also valued at 500 plus. So they're expecting this to open up 100+%. So if this gets up to at least 600, I'm gonna short this around the 600 and fade this back down toward the 500 and 400 mark. See, let's go back to. Let's see what's so Bed Bath & Beyond is down 10% this morning. 24. $25 here. BBBY would be a really good dip play back toward the $26, $1 a shares. But I'm focusing on CCIV as of right now and Coinbase. So let's switch back here. MVCR up 50-60% yesterday. Now it's down to 188. This would be a nice short once it retests the 200 area or the 190, 195. You can short it here and see if it can break the 187. If it does break that, we'll see a retest of 180 and fade this back down toward the 175. Hey, good morning. It's a CIV because right, so I got a position here on CCIV. This position here is gonna be a swing trade. I was looking at this $21 and $20 support area, so I'm trying to capture some shares here for a bounce and a retest of 20, maybe 24. If it can break 24 within 3 or 4 days, I'll let it ride back up toward the $30 mark. So this is a swing trade. I am just trying to get more shares. My average is 21.60 right now down here. So I'm in pretty good. So if this breaks below 21.51, I would like to add some more shares. I actually want to see CCIV touch 19.50 before it retraces back to $25. So the lower this goes, the better it is for me. Let's look at what was it? What's the other one? RIOT, Riot. So this is moving today. It's see this range right here, this resistance at 71, 72 right here. If today's the day that breaks this resistance right here, which it did in pre-market, it got a high of 63. See what's that at. We'll see a squeeze up toward the $80 mark. So because of Coinbase IPO and crypto hype right now, Riot, blockchain technology and stocks, they are really a hot sector right now as well. So I'm keeping an eye on RIOT as well. Alright, we got 17 minutes before the market open. Nothing's showing up on my high alert this morning. BTBT, 12%. No news.
My frustration, my anger, my selfishness, depression, everything in between. God's about to do something. Oh man, he's spitting right here. Y'all don't feel him. Hey man, God is good. Love to you too, Josh. Thanks for the call. Thanks for showing up, Chad. Your time and sacrifice make this community amazing. Let's go, baby.
All right, guys, we got about 10 minutes left, and then the market will open. Let's see where CCIV ends up at when the belt opens. Let's see where Riot also opens around. I want to see this retest 59, hold support around this area, or possibly 58, and then bounce back towards 60 and a retest of 64 high. BBBY, let's see. Looks like it's wanting to bounce around the 2450 area. So that should give me a good 25.60, so a good dollar per share bounce play if I was to play BBY. Let's see which setup comes out first. And then we got BTBT on our high scanner, up 13%. It's already fading down, closing this gap. So this might actually bounce around the 1680, 1650 area. Back toward what, 1760? So a good dollar per share here as well. But then if it doesn't bounce here, it breaks through 1670 easily. We'll see a quick sell off back toward the $15. Right, 8 minutes left. Let's get ready here. Tesla's gapped up and now sold off back toward the 20 EMA. So you might see a bounce here around 764 on Tesla back toward half day. And IO is also moving. A lot of the EV sector is moving this morning as well. They're moving because of Tesla. Let's look at the overall market. Let's see if the overall market breaks below 412. If the overall market breaks below 412 here, the SPY, we'll see if this can break below was it 412.50. Next stop will be 412. And if this breaks below 412, these things can get really interesting.
all of you. The difference between all of them is time. That's it. And the longer a risk, the longer the time frame to get your money back, that should increase the risk, which should increase the yield or return to the investor, essentially.
Order cancelled.
Through. That's pretty crazy. That's that'll be some headline news later today. There goes big Ponzi schemer. All right, well, now that's over. Let's hop on in and see what's going on in the market. All right, so oh my gosh, Arcimoto again down. Everything but Tesla is just getting spanked in the EV world. It seems like. Oh, Bed Bath. I think didn't Bed Bath report earnings? This must be because of earnings. So we'll have to take a peek at Bed Bath earnings in just a moment. We'll pull up the terminal, but we've got about a minute to the opening bell here. So let's see. Bed Bath getting spanked, probably because of earnings. OGI Roblox giving up its $80 again. Zom's down 3%. Arcimoto down that 2.3%-ish again. JP Morgan's down a little bit. Gevo's down a bit. Dave & Buster's, BlackBerry, kind of okay. odd. So you got Penn National Gaming, Dave & Buster's. Again, an odd mix of things that are down. And then on the ups, you got SOS, Nicholas up 4.5%, Plug Power, Microvision, Moderna, C3AI. Very kind of interesting mix of things that are up versus down today. We'll get a better understanding of this once the market actually opens here, which we're going to get the opening bell here in just a few seconds. So let's go ahead and tune into this.
For a while, you got more positive lately.
All right, the market is open. Let's see what's going to happen here. All right, so Bed Bath Beyond sells off. Now it's trying to rebound. CCIV is selling off as well. Let's look at Tesla. Tesla is the leader of all EV, so let's see what we want to do here. It broke below 767. Let's see if this bounces around 762. I'm gonna get this so I'm gonna grab some more shares here once this get below 21. I want to get at least 2180 or 2150. I want to grab some shares. I'm just put it in an order here. Market order to buy. And I'm just waiting. Okay, I still don't see anything yet for coin. $300 on a level 2. Price set to be $250 per shares.
Profitability concerns receives a hold. Shares a Q2 revenue missed. That was yesterday. Shares plunge. So Roblox down 4% today. Not exactly sure why Roblox would be down. It's probably just because it ran yesterday. But then again, other things that ran yesterday are doing fine today. But yeah, Roblox really. I mean, here's just it's interesting. Roblox was another direct listing, and Roblox. I mean, go back to this because Coinbase is going to be a direct listing. So Roblox listed for 60, what it is, 67 is what it closed for on listing day. I think it listed for like 64, 65 or something like that. Closed for 67. You know, and it's kind of had a little bit of it had a nice little uptrend the first 5-6 trading days, and then we had this downtrend with the broader market, and it's been trying to break out over this 80 figure here for a while. It did yesterday, and now it's back under 80. So we'll see what Coinbase does. That's gonna be pretty interesting. Actually, I don't know what the reference price was for Roblox. Let me see if we can see that really quick. I don't know that it was in the 60s. Roblox reference price. Oh, okay. Reference price was $45. So it gives you a little bit of an idea. So what the reference price was $45. Roblox didn't double from the reference price. Yeah, but it did close for about $22 more. Or what is that? 67 divided by 45, close to about 50% over the reference price. If you had the same thing with Coinbase, that'd be about a 375 close. I don't know. I think it's going to close way higher than 400. We'll see what happens. We will see. All right, what else do we have here? Sundial, Aurora Cannabis. Okay, so Cannabis, Rite Aid's down. Let's see, bouncing around here. Actually, it's trying to recover right now. 1.2, 1.3%. Let's go to the minute chart here. Let's see what's going on. Yeah, I got some red candlesticks there on Rite Aid. Roblox trying to recover right now as we're talking about it. Sundial's falling. There goes 4% again. Sundial was coming up yesterday, But there goes that. Kappa almost back to that parity value of $10, or basically what the pipe, maybe not parity, what the pipe sells the shares for, $10. I heard recently there was a SPAC that was going to have the pipe at like $10.15 or something very bizarre like that. I don't know. Anyway, all right, what else we got here? Cloudflare down 1.75. We've got Arclight down 1.5. Tattooed Chef 1.5. NGA back down to $16. Anything EV right now, just tough, except for Tesla. Let's see, Uber, and sometimes we think that Tesla almost leads the pack in that sense. That maybe Tesla will pull everything else up, but we'll see. Amazon 0.4, Costco, Wells Fargo, all these guys sitting there bouncing around over here on 0.4. Walgreens down a quarter. Slack's pretty flat. I am interested in keeping an eye on what Voyager does today. Voyager should be very interesting given that it is Coinbase day. So that'll be fun to see. We've got Peloton's pretty much flat. Salesforce, Arc.
All right, CCIV is coming up here. If this squeeze up above 22.30, we might see a retest of $23. I would actually like for this to go down lower, but it doesn't seem like it want to. If this candle closes in the green like this, and for what we got about 14 minutes left. For the next 14 minutes, if this candle closes green, we will most likely be bullish on CCIV today. We'll most likely retest at least 23. Alright guys, I think I'm gonna start to short TV here. I'm gonna get started here at 25 shares. I want this to hit 13. Rise to 60.
Order filled.
Alright, got started at 12:43 here. I'll be sure to add another 125 shares once this candle closes. We got about 10 minutes left. All right, let's see what our IoT is doing. Okay, came all the way down here, touch 58, bounce off. So now if this candle right here, we got 9 minutes left. If this candle right here comes back up and close in the green, we will most likely see a squeeze back towards 63.64.
But I should have just bought a bunch of options, like a bunch of like 1 month options. That would have really juiced up the bet. Should have bought as many 1 month options as we would have needed to buy the house. Yeah, I don't know. That's not the style of investing that I do, but that would have been a pretty sick bet. That's what it would have been. It would have been more of a bet. Ended up being right. Of course, it's easy in hindsight to say, "Oh man, woulda, coulda, shoulda."
Order filled.
All right, TVE, a TV squeeze up to 1390, 1385. Or I added another 125 shares up here, shorted on 125 shares. New average is 1332, 1332. Next add point will be 15. 14. 18. 20. Level 2 still looking bullish, so this might get even higher. I would like to add some more shorts up here. Got 5 minutes left for this candle to close. Alright, there's already a lot of selling pressure coming in, so I think this is gonna get a high of 14 or 15 only. I might move my limit short down some more. We got 3 minutes left for this candle to close. So let's see what I want to do here.
Actually look like Jerome Powell's talking today. Let's pull that up. Wall Street Journal Central Banks. Okay. Let's see where Jay Powell's talking today. Although, do we really expect him to say anything different? Jerome Powell speaks virtually in Economic Club of Washington interview. I worry that's going to be like right when the Coinbase thing happens. That's entirely possible as we await for Coinbase. But everybody's going to be on the edge of their seat for that. So let's see if that includes Fox or if they're talking about the border wall.
Bridgewater, the largest hedge fund in the world, on our podcast. So
hey, look, they're actually awaiting Coinbase.
And Coinbase, which started in 2012 as a scrappy way for retail, mom and pop investors to buy their first Bitcoin, now I think sees over $100 billion worth of assets on the institutional side. They're helping firms like Tesla acquire Bitcoin. They're helping firms like MicroStrategy acquire Bitcoin. And there's rumors about other Fortune 500 companies that they're sort of shepherding in to the market. And so we look at the business as a brokerage one, and that might make $100 billion valuation. Or
look at that run on Doge, though. Oh my gosh, that's crazy. That's pretty crazy too. I mean, yesterday, remember this thing had broken basically 0.1 here, and now it's at, what is it, 0.135. This is incredible. I mean, what an incredible run. Really, really cool. That's amazing. Wow. Lots of running in the crypto space right now. All right. This is
Hey, good morning, man. Yeah, I'm asking the same question. When can we buy coin, right? So I got let's see here. I got a order open here to buy coin, 1 share on market. So nobody seems to know yet. Usually around IPO or direct offering, they don't have an exact time, right? They have a date, but they don't have an exact time. So just whenever it's ready, it just pops up on the market, and then you can just start trading it. So I have 1 share here to buy a market. The moment this gets triggered, that'll tell me it's ready to start trading. So I'm watching this this order right here. Once this fills, then I'll let you guys know that I'm able to trade it. So I'm just keeping an eye on this order right here. For the time being, I'm trying to short TV. I got some shares up here at 13.32. Want to add some more shares toward the $15. So let's see what it does here. Alright guys, TV is coming back up here. It might actually get rejected around 14, so I might have to move my order down some more. But we're only 2 minutes into this candle, so let's give it some more time. Hello, what's up, Rick? So Tesla did bounce out from this level right here for 764. Let's see if this next candle here can hold. If this hold above 770, we will see a retest of 786 here. All the other EVs is selling off. NIO, CCIV, huge candle, which is good for me because I'm planning to buy some more shit on CCIV. I want to get some more shit down here toward the $21. So I'm looking for this to break this 2180 and flush back down toward 2150 so I can grab some more shares. But as of right now, let's check out RILT. Alright, so Riot is down 4%. If this breaks out 57, we'll see a retest of 53 easily. And let me look at my orders on the Coinbase. It's still open here. I got a buy one on market. So that tells me it has not been filled yet. So that tells me that Coinbase is not trading yet on Schwab, Webull, or Interactive Broker. I got 3 orders open, so until one gets filled, I don't think we can trade it yet. Let's see, TV. Dang it, I wanted more shares up here. Let's see. I want to chase this. Let me give it 5 more minutes, see if this can rebound here on this level. And as this come back toward the 13, 14, I'll add some more shares. I think this is the top 1385. LFMD down 17%. So the first candle was only 5.9 million shares traded, and this is 589 million shares outstanding. So let's see, that's about 1%, so 26%, a high of 36%. Okay, so that's That's more assuring that this will not reach 50% in one day. Most likely it won't. But again, this is a NYSE stock, so it will most likely not be as volatile. So that's a good thing. Okay, CCIV is coming down here. I'm going to switch this out. Once it reaches 2150, I'll grab some more shares. We got 12 minutes left for this candle to close. Let's see if it can get back down as low as 2160 or 2150.
Palantir together. So we might just have to stay live all day to cover everything. We might just have to cover both at the same time. Oh man. Okay, so what was I gonna look up? Oh, the microvision. Oh yeah. We let's see how the all right, here we go. Look at that. All right, interesting poll. 30. I'm actually surprised. 34% of folks said no thanks to Coinbase. That's interesting. 34% of y'all, no thank you. You didn't even say yes to under 350. Just straight up no thank you. Yes, under 350.
So just watch out. Again, these are two sympathies or were the best performing companies related to it. Okay, I made a play. It could be a little late here. I don't know. I am getting greedy with it. Do not trade this. It's not a recommendation. Educational purposes only. Did you like the video? I don't think you liked the video. I don't think they liked the video. Y'all didn't press high chat like the video. Y'all didn't do any of that.
All right, we got 4 minutes left. I would really like TV to hit at least 14 before coming back down. All right, we got 2 minutes left for this candle to close. Your CIV is down to 2180, almost to my target. Alright, let's see. We got 2 seconds and alright, this is closing red. So if this next candle here breaks above 13, we get a quick squeeze back toward 14. If it doesn't, we get a quick flush down. Alright, here's come the squeeze. Let's see if it can break above 13. If this breaks 13, we'll get a quick pop back out toward 1350. Come on. Let's get up there. 93, 94, 95. Okay. There we go, 13. Alright, let's see this squeeze. Come on, let it squeeze.
float on coin. Does anybody know, actually? How come we don't know that? We know the dollar amount. What's the share amount? It's a great question. How many shares are being offered total? Coin will start trading at 10:20 Eastern, according to Benzinga. No, it's not. I doubt it's going to come out here in 4 minutes. Again, it's probably going to be 10 Pacific time. I think a lot of people are getting confused. 115 million, 126 million. I think 115 seems to be the consensus. $115. You need about like 60, 55 million, 57 and a half. Tesla's on the low. SPY's even coming down a little bit. We'll see.
Order filled.
Well,
Order
you say
filled.
everyone ask a different number. I think 115 million. And then I think 199 total.
Order filled.
There's different classes of shares, but I think this first offering is going to be 115. Tesla's hitting a low here. Again, watch what holds up here. Bitcoin starting to sell off, but now let's see how the SPY, it's been your first 45 minutes. We started off low. You bounced up. Everything is green right now, but tech was just leading right there when I called it out. Tech is turning around. Dow is just staying the same, a lot like yesterday, and then S&P is just kind of balancing between it. $342 debut versus reference price of $250. IPO criteria, 50% of the float in the first 10 minutes. So what we would be looking for is like 55 million shares to trade in the first 10 minutes on Coinbase. If that doesn't happen, that's not a good sign. Bitcoin is getting very volatile right now too. It's actually very interesting to see how this plays out with the cryptos.
Order filled.
Clarify partnered with
Order
Palantir for
cancelled.
development. Is the event started? I don't know if the Palantir event has started. Bouncy day, very bouncy day. Get ready. Events at 11 a.m. So you got 45 more minutes. PaySafe getting some steam. Again, Overstock, PaySafe, your only green crypto companies right now. Do you think Coinbase will double in one day? No. It's already going to double. If it goes from 250 and opens up at 500, it's already doubled. But if it opens up at 500, I don't think it'll go to 1,000. I mean, it would take a massive amount of money. Who knows? But it's possible, but not probable. Microsoft hitting the high. Microsoft kind of switching gears there. Now it's green, or about to go green. Open at 3.4, yeah, indicating 342. Jeez, man. Jeez, get ready. You think people are selling crypto to get into Coinbase? It's possible to look at Bitcoin. Yeah, I just had it up. Bitcoin's getting whacked right now. Well, just below highs, and it's bouncing between green and red. So right now, this was the highest. 64,500 is amazing. But then, it just started falling here. This is just a 1 minute chart. You can see it's, that's moving $1,000 almost in 3 minutes. Very, very crazy. This is Bitcoin, man. Very crazy Bitcoin. Overstock breaking out. That's a great sign. Microsoft's coming up here too. So pay attention to the stuff with strength here. But again, anything Bitcoin related, that's why Overstock, again, a lot of people keep asking how is Overstock Bitcoin? Overstock owns one of the biggest exchanges. They own T0. So Coinbase is not about buying Bitcoin. It's about buying an exchange. And depending on the valuation of that exchange, think about it. As that price raises up in valuation, that increases Overstock's assets on that. That's why we're playing it. So I wouldn't call it breaking out, but anything just being positive right now is good in the sense of this. It's pricing 349. Just get ready, man. They're going to go back and forth. I'm also breaking out. I need to exfoliate. That's good. You could probably buy something from Overstock for that. That's brilliant. Thank you. We'll go look at the fight. I mean, Overstock has been in crypto since 2015. So they've been working on this plan for a while. You could always look up their filings and do it. I did make a play today. We got greedy with PaySafe. I made a PaySafe play just in case because this is another one of the only companies that's green today. So that it says something. Who said that? Mustafa said that. Is it too early to get Netflix plays for earnings? No, I think it's actually a good time. As long I have the premiums on some of them, but as long as it's holding up, it's actually going red right now. You'll be better. You'll be better off. I'm not saying Bertie Madoff was right, but if you look at the TikTok, YouTube penny stock pumpers, he ain't the worst in the world. Although I don't like pumping on YouTube and people when they, the little guy fucking the little guy. I'm not really a big fan of that. Bernie Madoff like swindled old people.
All right, guys.
Like,
I'm in the money here. Up $1,000 on this short TV.
way different than
I wanted to hit at least 12, so let's hopefully
I'm
just
not
hit
even
12 here.
pumper. Like I think we hold ourselves.
Let me mute
higher
this real
there.
quick. Come on, give me 12. We still got 8 minutes left. See if this can come back down to a $12. Alright guys, I'm up 1,300 so far. Let's see if this can keep going down. We got 5 minutes left. I need this to push down another 5 minutes toward the 1180 possibly. This 1245. Let's see if we can hit 12. All right, 1240 break. Now it's 1238. Come on, let's go. Almost there. Looking for a 12. Got 4 more minutes left for this candle to close. Okay, we only got 3 minutes left. Let's see if this holds below 1240 in this next couple of 3 minutes. If it does, we will get another push down toward 1180 or 12. Alright, here comes 41. If 41 breaks, you're gonna see a quick flush down to here. Let's see if 41 hold. This 43, 44, 43. Let's see 42 prints. We got 2 minutes left. This 38, yep. 35, and flushes down some more. And this 38. I'm at 1,400 so far. Let's go. Target's 12. Let's see if I can get 12. Here's 36, 35. All right. And we got 1 minute left. Almost 12, 31 cents. The level 2 is looking like it's wanting to bounce here. I hope it doesn't bounce yet. We only got 40 seconds left. Come on, hold that. Hold this candle, and then we will see if we can break down below 1230 back towards the 1180. Okay, 20 seconds left. This is 1236. Let's see, 1220. I see 1230 coming up. And here's the next candle. Alright, so we should get a push down again toward 1180, 1190, and $12. We want to see 1239 breaks. So if 1239 breaks, we're gonna see a flush down toward $12 and the high 1190s. Get this 44 in red. We want to see 43 in red. This 43, 41. Okay, let's see if we can see a 39 print in red. See some send pressure coming in. Here's 38. There we go. And this will break. 34. All right, let's see if we can get a quick flush to 12. Uh, 39, 40. It's 39. Okay. I see 32 coming up. Let's see a print 37. There's some more sudden pressure coming in. So let's see if it will get us at least 30 or 26. Hmm? Hmm? 30. Okay, this 38. There we go. 35. Come on. Let's see it break down below 30. It needs to get below 1230 for us to see 12. We still got a good 17 minutes for this candle to close. Alright, buying pressure is coming in. I'm gonna have to stop out if this hits 1250. Come on, give me another push down. Let's go. There we go. 38, 39. About 16 minutes left.
Order partially filled. Order
Alright.
filled.
I am out. I got stopped out at 1250 with $1,000 in profit. So I got 1,000 in profit here. Made a 4.6% on that trade. So I was really liking for this to hit at least, you know, $12 before coming back up, but the level 2 seems to be bullish. Seems like someone is coming in here, buying this up, and shorts are covering too early. So I'm not gonna take a chance here. So I'm lucky in my profit there. Made $1,000. So let's switch over to, let's see if we can trade Coinbase or not. Coin. So we're supposed to be able to trade Coinbase 10 East time, so it's already 9:36, and still no sign of any trade yet. My one share has not even been so I got buy one on market here. So once this triggers in, that'll tell me that we can start trading Coinbase, but it's not trading at all. Let's see. This one's up 400%. I wonder if I can short it. SYSX. Stock smart. It's not tradable. Trading halt. I'm sure it's not tradable either. This is B. Nope. And this that TV. So crypto skin destroyed this morning. Lots of sell off this morning. $25 shares outstanding. All right, I'm gonna play the dip here on LFMD. Oh, wrong account. Let's see. LFMD. And it is shortable. Okay. Well, let's see.
Order cancelled. Order filled.
All right, I got started here. 25 shares. 25 shares at 928. I'll add 125 shares. In 8 minutes.
Order filled.
$10, that is going to be a good buy sign. So that's what I'm looking at. The problem you have to balance it with is the flow. It sounds like a tiny flow, but it's not, because you're talking $300 a share, $400 a share. It's pricing right now $350. So it's crazy. It's crazy, man. You're going to have to see. Very, very wild. Am I opposed to doing the pyramid strategy and adding more if it drops? You still get it. We could. I mean, if you guys want me to, I could buy some right off the bat. I could show you guys. But right now, I mean, we have our exposure. And look, if overstock starts running up here too, we're going to find our way to profit on it. But what I really want to look for is, you know, we just want to see how it trades. It's gonna have a weird opportunity, I think. If y'all want me to trade it, how much should we do? I'm gonna use the criteria, but what I'm saying is that, like, what we do 100 shares, 50 shares, but either way, I'm gonna have to buy. You can either buy right away, but I want to just see. I could find out in the first couple minutes. I'll let you know. Again, you're gonna watch it all the way. Like, that's why even criteria wise, we'll watch how it plays, because even in that first 3, 4, 5 minutes, depending on what it opens at and how much it does, it'll be key. 400. So we'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. Buy a prime number of shares. We could flip the coin. Yeah, but I'm ready for it. I mean, I'm ready for it. We love these. We've made a lot of money on all of these. You know what I'm saying? And it's good. What about buy 25, then buy 50 in the final? We could do that as well too. But again, how it opens will let us know. But this is the big thing. This is going to have is demand. But we just need to see how they're going to siphon the money off. How it's going to. There's so many people. It's so hyped that I want to see what they put it at. That's what's going to be key. Right now, it's already at 350. Get ready. Love the positivity and mindset. We love you, baby. Get ready. It's going to be fun. You're going to learn something. You guys will get to watch it. We are actively in play. So the best part is we made a PSFE today. We got greedy. We have an additional play that we made. So you see, we already have that play. But now what do we have? We have the overstock. So we have the leaps that are up 30%. We got these a couple days ago. We make dollar for dollar on that. We have 100 shares of overstock there. And then we have overstock in both of our long-term portfolios. We're up 21%. So we have that exposure to the company depending on how it plays, or exposure to crypto industries. So that's what we're going to look at. And then, you know, we could play the actual IPO itself. Who's in it? So overstock's, again, the fact that overstock is up 2%. While every other one of those companies is down is good. SPY's coming back up here now too. Let's see, like VYGVF. Their clap. What's the FTC FV or FTCV? They're down. So they're all down. The overstock leap is a contract with three time, and again, you're seeing the overstock up 30% on the option, while the equity is up 21%. Oil had its first green reversal in a while. Watch oil. That will be strong for the Dow, and the Dow is actually kicking up a little bit better here. And then PSFE is the secondary greedy play. Monster back up and running.
Order filled.
Can you buy partial shares of coin when it IPOs on Robinhood? I believe you can. Should have that ability. SPY going towards 414. High ticker's picking up right now. XOM should be ripping. I mean, oil is killing it. Is it too late for overstock? It's up a lot. I mean, you're going to be paying a 21% premium to what we got it at. That's why, you know, some people are asking for plays and this and that. I mean, I love you and all, but you were late. You see what I'm saying? We are firmly established. We have exposure to it. You see what I'm saying? So I wouldn't say, I would say you're better off playing Coinbase or at least wait till more info. Because we could confirm right now what's going to happen. Said Palantir pushing. Like you have to wait Wait for the next wave, and today we're gonna get today's gonna start something once the IPO comes out. Palantir not moving too much. What time is it? 7:51. So yeah, I still think we got another hour or two. At least. We'll see, though. It looks like a lot of people are trying to hype it up. It seems like people are talking about this thing coming out early. But again, direct listings versus a normal IPO usually is going to come back later. As well as Fargo still going up. Oh, yeah. Wells Fargo, bro, ever since we put out that thing went crazy. Let's see. How would you even like? Could you even set up an order? Is this 100? Okay. So I could have an order set up whenever I want to, depending on how it plays out. I could get. This is what I'm saying. I'm not going to put in a limit order. I'm just going to have either a market or a limit ready to go once I see the price. All I would have to do is essentially boom, 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 you know? That's it. Yalla. Yes, like the video. Drop your thumbs up. You're on mobile. Press high chat. Keep it positive and respectful. Y'all doing good, baby. When you say look at the price after the flow, are we looking to see if it's above or below? Don't buy. Well, it's going to give you an idea if where the momentum is. Because again, think about it. It's all supply and demand determines price. So after you've traded half of the supply, what's the price at? Is it appreciating or depreciating from where it opened, where it's at? It gives you an idea of how the company is being valued. That makes sense? That's really what you want to look for, is how is the company getting valued? What's the price? That's why we have 3 different ways to look at it. I'm 3 clicks away from putting my life savings in a Coinbase. Be careful. Again, you're going to have all week. So today, there's a lot of people. There's an event, right? Everybody's excited. But if you've been in the cult, like, let's be real. You know what I'm saying? We're going to look at this a week from now once everybody forgets. And we're going to find that's it. Everyone's going to get used to it. It's going to be hype, no doubt. It's a good company. But eventually, everyone's going to get used to this. That's all. Like, that's all you have to, that's what you really have to think about. So, you saw what happened with Roblox, even Spotify, even Palantir. Palantir was a direct listing. All of these have done the same exact thing. So, even today is going to be somewhat predictable. That's why, thank God, we have the criteria. But at the end of the day, you're going to watch in a few days. The attitude is just, once people get this normalized, that's it. So if it hits and it looks good, you know what I'm saying? It'll be great. But we'll see what happens. But it's not going to be that crazy. Or you don't have to go that crazy if that makes sense. I have the Palantir link. I don't know if you guys want to, I don't know when it's on. So just be careful. You say Coinbase is live in Europe. Are you sure? I doubt that. Or it's not the same stock. Biotechs are getting a little bit of rotation. Big hype, overpromise, underdeliver, underperform, underestimated. But the thing was, they lowered their reference price. So they said 250 reference price, but literally 3 months ago, there was a trade on the NASDAQ, a private trade, and it was literally, what's it called? It was literally at 350. So I think they're doing a real estate trick. I think they're trying to price it low so that they can get, even if it doubles from a low price, it's still going to be lower and allow the market some room, I hope. But we'll see. Anything could happen, but it is hyped, and there's over. Let's go, baby. I'm asking an extra 500 that's in my account, taking me back before it was a trap. You might have margin on, and something probably got freed up on margin, letting you use it. I mean, if you didn't have that money before, check your cash balance. Say, what's the total withdrawal amount? How much can you withdraw? If not, just be careful with that. Overstock moving again. That's beautiful. This is the best thing we could have asked for. That means we're winning on opening day, bro. Again, all of them sold off for a reason. You see what I'm saying? This is beautiful. Beautiful. We need that. How bad are the premiums on Overstock? Because 10% above equity. So the equity's up 22%, right? Equity's up 21, options up 29 or 30. Trevor Seaman, welcome, baby. We're glad to have you. Appreciate you. This is each trade forms. We have a Robinhood too. Oh yeah, do you want me to trade it? Wait, do you want me to trade it? I have money on both. How do you guys want to do it? You want to do Robinhood IPO trade or TD Ameritrade IPO trade? Because we got the Robinhood. We got some cash. We could coin it up. So both TD, we could do a little bit of both. Should we see which?
Access to Foundry doesn't mean having access
Order partially filled. Order filled. Order filled.
What are they saying to me?
All right, guys, I'm in on LFMD. Average is
Daddy,
932.
what are you, Daddy? Daddy, what are you?
So let's
Anyway,
let me mark
Daddy.
this. Okay, 932. Right there. Let's see what we get from here.
Here?
I'm looking for a retest of 1050.
Order-filled.
All right, 950. Let's see if this can get back to 10 and 1050. I'm at 400 so far on display. $1,500. If this can get back up to 1050, that should give me another $2,000. So that should put me right at 25,000 above the PDT rule. So let's see where we get from here.
Jerome Powell coming up in an hour, and it's been nothing but straight up from there. Incredible.
Next.
All right, so this 20 minute candle closes above 950. Let's see if this next 20 minute can give us a push up toward the $10 area. Dùng chả, tôi ăn đau nữa này. Sorry about that. Yeah, usually if they don't buy anything, they usually sell like maybe $1 a bag or stuff like that. $2 a bag. Lots of tape and hooks. All right, almost to target, almost to $10. We are 40 cent short. target is actually 1050. So let's see if we can get there. Right now, I'm in the green, up almost $2,000. I need another 1,000. So let's see if we can get there. There we go, 980. This is a nice squeeze. If it breaks 10, we get another quick squeeze to 1050. So looking for that break of 10. There we go, 2,100. Let's see if we can get there. This 983. This 983. Let's see if we can get a break of 10 here. Oh, I see 10 coming up here. See this huge order here? If this 10 breaks, we'll get a quick squeeze to 1050.
Let's make this quick.
40-pound pig.
Minions have spawned.
ต่อค่ะ Yep. Yeah, we gotta wait.
I can do this all day.
It looks like I want to reach $10, so I see $10 creeping up here. Let's see if I can actually get there.
I can do this all day.
We need to see 990 prints in here for it to reach 10 and possibly even break $10.
Should have run. So many enemies, so many knives. On my way. Engage. Mid-turret is under attack. Blood. Enemy slain. Mid-turret is under attack. Slain.
对不起啊。 All right, this 85. Let's see if we can get 90. I want to see 89 prints. There we go. This 89. This 90. All right, let's see if we can get 10. All right, this is a break of 90.
I'm gonna carve my own path.
There's 90. Let's see if we can get 10. Come on, I want to see 95 prints and then 10. If 10 breaks, we will see 1050. There we go. There's 94.
Enemy slain. I'm not here to make friends.
Nice, almost there. 91. Come on, 10. Let's see 10.
Top turret is under attack.
We got 3 minutes left. 8 minutes left. Okay. Alright, so I see 10 is really want to be broken. If this candle holds above 980, hopefully it holds above 980, 975 for the next 7 minutes, so we can get a next push out toward 1050. I'm only $700 shy from 25k, so let's see.
Are you cooking my favorite? Daddy, I'm not. I'm trying to break for my class. Are you delivering me cake? No. Turning them away. Oh, you're just putting them in the garage? Hi, Dada.
Hello.
I'm done with school.
Nice.
So can I play?
Yeah, hold on, honey. Almost done.
Oh, Daddy, wait.
Alright, it's
I
890.
can see our stuff, Dad.
Alright, let's see if this. We got a minute before this 5-minute candle closes.
Oh, hi guys. I know have you seen me before? Right, Daddy? They've seen me before earlier. Oh, Daddy, you're making $10, but you're starting, right, Daddy?
Yep. Can't get down, sweetie. Gotta get down.
I want to see it.
Honey. Here. Okay, we're almost there. We just need
Daddy,
$10.
are you eating? Daddy, are you eating when I'm eating too?
Yes, I am.
Are you eating chicken on a stick, Daddy?
Yep, chicken on a stick. Yummy, yummy.
I'm not too late now to eat chicken now.
See if this. We see
That's
$10
just kidding.
here.
I'm not eating chicken
Go,
leg.
mommy's talking to you.
What?
Go. Go, eat mama. Go, eat mama.
What is it, Mom? Ow.
It keeps coming back toward $10, so it looks like it really wants to break it.
Mama? Oh wait, that's all? Did you find my Christmas tablet?
Yeah.
Well, you say you pressed me, you put my Christmas
Yeah, I know.
tablet?
I think I know where it's at. Hold on. This 95. Come on. Let's see it print 10. We just need to print $10 here. Then that'll be a really good sign of this breaking 10. All right, this 92. Got 4 minutes left, guys. Let's see if this can break 10. This 92. It's 990. Let's see. $10 getting closer. So we got 3 minutes left. This needs to hold above 90 like this, so that the new candle can push up toward the 1050.
Enemies, so many knives. Enemy slain.
Lava? Wow. Alright guys, we got 2 minutes left.
I'm gonna carve my own path. Steel and a target. What I need.
Alright. I'm going to take my profit here. There's a lot of selling pressure coming back in now. So that $10 block order right here is doing its job well, keeping this from going above 10.
Top turret is under attack. Bottom turret is under attack. Turret lost.
Let's see if we can get a push back up toward 80, 90.
Bottom turret is under attack. Turret lost. Everyone defend your turret is under attack. Is under attack. The enemy team has slain Baron Nashor. Try to keep up.
Why is that one so little?
Alright, here's the next 20-minute candle. Let's see how it's going to respond to this.
Gonna carve my
Order filled. Order partially filled. Order filled.
Alright guys, I'm done. I got stopped out. So today I'm only at 1,300. I'm done for the day, possibly the week. I used all my day trade today, so I won't be able to buy any more until next week. So yeah, I'm up 1,300. I'm holding 200 shares of CCIV. I'm looking to add to this position here next week. Hopefully it'll get down below 21. But that's where I'm at, and that's it guys. I will see you guys next time. Good luck.